I am so excited about walking you through and showing you how to use Packet Tracer, but one thing that's apparent is that we need to have it installed before we can start using it. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through finding Network Academy, signing up, and downloading the software and installing it in preparation for building and practicing and getting that hands-on practice that we want. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring up a browser and go ahead and use your favorite search engine. And I'm going to just go ahead and use google.com. And in our search engine, we're going to search for NetAcad and press enter. And so as a result of this, here's the NetAcad URL, https://www.netacad.com. And the benefit of doing a Google search is that if they change that in the future for some reason, you'll still be able to find it. So we'll simply click on the Cisco Network Academy. So once we're here, and they may change their website interface over time, but if you have a Network Academy account, you can go ahead and log in with it. If not, you can scroll down to find a place to enroll. So under their courses, here they have one called Packet Tracer, which is an intro to Packet Tracer. And if we select that, it gives us an overview of this Packet Tracer course and more details on how to download Packet Tracer, including the option here to enroll to download Packet Tracer. So we're going to enroll, and then we're going to download the Packet Tracer software. So here on the Introduction to Packet Tracer, if we scroll down, there's an option to go ahead and sign up. We'd go ahead and create a username and a password, and then we would log in. And then once logged in, we'll just hover over Resources here, and then there's an option for Download Packet Tracer, and we just click on it. So here on the download page for Packet Tracer, if we scroll down, they've got one for Windows, they've got one for Linux, they've got one for Macs, and there's also a version of Packet Tracer for Android and for Apple's iOS mobile devices. So once it's downloaded, we'll simply then click on the install to install the software, and then we'd simply launch it. Now, when you do launch Packet Tracer, it is going to ask you, if you haven't already authenticated, it's going to ask you to authenticate, and you'd simply use your NetAcad username and password to log in here. And after we've successfully logged in, here is the interface for Packet Tracer, all raring to go. So I will see you in just a few moments in the very next video, where we'll start creating a new network topology right inside of Packet Tracer. So I'll see you then. Meanwhile, I hope this has been informative for you, and I'd like to thank you for viewing.